676 bombs for Josh, part 26. We're going to make some more edits to the ABOMB system. So in data by system, within the ABOMB top level data, we have this lookup table we made in the previous video, right? V16 to A81 Alto graphic. We got all 16 graphics in here. And then we have the compressed version of the lookup table, but we have not filled the data, right? We've allocated the data for the compressed lookup table, but now we need to initialize that data. So in the ABOMB08 section, we're going to use this function right here that takes a uncompressed lookup table and converts it to a compressed lookup table by looping through every single tile graphic in the input table here and converting that compressed graphic into a compressed graphic, and then loading the 3 uint32 payloads into our compressed graphic lookup table. So if we go down here, here's our initializer for the ABOMB08 system, and we have a function pointer to the V16A81 converted to V16U81 converter function, and we're going to use this function pointer right down here to take the uncompressed graphics and load them into the memory for the compressed graphics. Right down here is what we did previously, and then here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, go here to Ninja Coder. You're on the Fast Advanced playlist on Kanji Coder. Technical demos are here, source code is here, ways to get a hold of me. So like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine and a game from complete scratch. It's called Atomic Ivy MMO. I'm even writing the server code. This code can deploy to Heroku, Google App Engine, and Render.com. So if you want to learn a little bit about cloud architecture and how to deploy a real-life server, I'm your person. And if you want to learn how to do rendering code, I am also your person. Like and subscribe.